Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
It's very simple. You add vanilla beans to vodka or another type of alcohol and let it sit for 8 weeks. At the end of the 8 weeks, you should have your own homemade vanilla. Some chefs experiment with flavors by using bourbon, whiskey, and other types of alcohol for slightly different tastes.
Make your mark, take our lead.
8 ounces per cup of vodka or whatever kind of alcohol is being used. Double-fold vanilla extracts are what many professional bakers prefer to use because it provides a much stronger, more concentrated vanilla flavor that you can't get simply by doubling the amount of vanilla extract you use.
Take our lead.
The role of vanilla in sweet baked goods is like the role of salt on the savory side. It enhances all the other flavors in the recipe. Without it, cookies and cakes tend to taste flat and bland. Forget to add the vanilla once, and you'll probably never do it again.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.